Merry Christmas. So for this Christmas, I'm in my college town. I wasn't able to travel. I don't really celebrate Christmas, so I thought, why not come to the trail? So it is Christmas Day. I don't have anything else to do, so I'm gonna walk on the trail. But I also thought, if I'm walking, why don't I just also see if there's litter that I can pick up? So I brought my grabber, which is really cheap from the dollar store, not very good quality, and a trash bag. Yeah, so let's see what all I can find from the trail area. Ooh, found a hair tie. Ooh, there's something down there, so I'll try to get it. But I probably won't be able to record getting it because it's a little down to climb down this. So I just put this bottle up there, and I guess I see a bottle under the bridge, so I'm gonna go for it. I see something over there, but so there's something all the way over there, but I'm not gonna go there because this is water, super thin ice. I can slip and hurt myself, so I need to be also careful. But for now, I got these 3 bottles. I'm gonna put them in the bag up there. Well, just these 2 things. One's a wrapper, the other, I think it's a tie they put on the wooden sticks or marker, something of that sort. There is a wrapper there, but I don't think I can go because there are orange cones around that area, which sort of mean I should like not go in that area, so I won't. There is that big trash bin, if you can see that. I cannot take it out, it's too big. But there are lots of paper cups, but they're all half frozen in the water, so I don't want to go in there and fight with that to take it out. Plus I see some pumpkin or fruit, but that's like a natural object, so it's a fruit, it'll biodegrade. I don't have to take it out. So yeah, probably not the best day for litter picking. Okay, this is cool rock art. I'm gonna leave it here at the bench. I think somebody very intentionally placed it here. Looks cool. So at this point, I've been walking for an hour, more than an hour, which means I have to walk back for an hour. I'm tired, so I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna turn around. Haven't found much, but maybe around the parking area there's some litter. I do see a glove though, and whoever left it is not coming back for it, so I can there's some more stuff there. Let's see, I don't know if it's frozen. Maybe I can get it. So I got down from the bridge. Kind of slippery, but let's see what we find. So it's a big gallon jug. I don't know what this is. It's pretty heavy. I got it on the way out. Just because I don't think there is actually a way. I'll put it over here. Yeah, I might be able to pull it from the bridge then. Okay. Maybe it isn't such a good idea. I don't think I'll go all the way over there. but definitely over here I can see a lot. Not sure what this is. Oops. But trash. Ooh. This is the bottom here. Trash. There is a styrofoam plate. I can't get to it. This is a dollar store grabber, so not the best quality. It just keeps tearing. Yeah, I cannot get it. I'll get these other pieces of styrofoam though. Look. Got one. Okay. I think I'm good. Oh, that was a lot. And then there's, I think, a bread bag or something here. Oh gosh, it's kind of, yeah, it's woven into the, let me see. Okay, got it. There's another one over there. Cool. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, let's see, because I think my trash bag might get full. So I won't be able to put more stuff in. Okay. The trash bag is full. I can't crush the bottles because a lot of them are closed, and it's really difficult to open their caps. Look, I've tried. This bag is full, so I cannot go further up the stream because I just don't have any space. I might have to come back another day and get stuff because there's a lot of things there. Whew, so I made it from there back on the bridge. The rest of the stuff, and at this point I think I'm just gonna go home. I mean, I was going home anyways. Found this as well. Found this ball and I put it in my pocket. Gonna wash it and see if it could be used, but then otherwise, yeah, pretty much done for the day. So I took a shortcut out of the trail, which means I didn't see the trash can that's at the entrance, but that's fine. I'll just trash it by the dumpster that's by my apartment. As for this metal, I think I'm gonna hold on to it because I do collect scrap metal. And then this bag, it's filled with plastic bottles and styrofoam. So that was a lot of work, but it was fun. I feel really good. I do wish we have stricter laws that tackle the littering problem, and we do consume less styrofoam and less plastic. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.